Today I'm going to put together this 3-piece set of raised bed garden. It's 2 by 2 by 1 foot, and I've got the panels taken apart, so you can see there's several panels that need to be put together, and they give you the hardware of course for that, which are bolts and wing nuts. So I'm just going to go ahead and line up the holes and start putting bolts towards the inside, and then the wing nuts will be fastened on the inside as well, so you don't see that from the exterior. So every section that you piece together here, there are 4 holes that you'll stick the bolts and the wing nuts, fastening them together with. And I'm excited to try these out this year. In the past I've normally just put my vegetables into the ground, but I want to try something new this year, and I've got these 3 raised beds, so I think I'm going to have some pretty good ideas here what I'm going to plant. For one, I'm going to plant some tomatoes, and these are big enough if you wanted to put a big tomato in, or if you wanted to put like a few, maybe like cherry tomato plants. This is a pretty good size for that. So next I'm going to line the edges here. It comes with this kind of rubber lining, and basically you just have to line it up into the groove there, and it'll fit pretty snugly. And you're just going to do this around the circumference of these raised beds. Then I'll show you what you'd have to do after that. And if you were into drip irrigation, you could probably take one of those bolts out, and then with one of those holes you could feed in like a little 1/4 inch little hose line for your drip irrigation. So there will be a little bit of excess here afterwards, so you're just going to either get like some sharp scissors, or in my case I have like a sharp razor blade, and you're just going to cut through there and about to the point where they meet up, and yeah, it looks pretty good, I think. Now these raised beds are pretty deep and wide, so if you don't want to buy a whole bunch of topsoil or any kind of soils to fill these up, what you can do is put in some organic material. Like you can cut up some cardboard, or you can put in a bunch of other things around your yard, maybe some old debris like grass clippings and things, old dead plants or whatever that can break down and decompose. It's going to work out just fine, so you don't have to use so much bags of topsoil or whatever. So alright, so these raised beds are set up. I'll have another update of what I'll be planting soon when the weather gets a little bit better, but yeah, these are going to be fun to work with this season. I look forward to seeing how well they grow different vegetables.